Alrighty, we've just arrived at the Grasmere area, and there's a place here called NET HIV and AIDS Community Center for the Youth infected with HIV, abandoned. And Christmas comes but once a year, so the Christmas Father, or Father Christmas, is ready, and we're gonna be giving away some gifts. Watch this space. Come on, Father Christmas!
Hello everybody, hello!
They love you very much. We love Father Christmas, ne?
Yeah! Merry Christmas. There we go. There we go. Merry Christmas. There we go.
Joseph, Kunjan Boss, hola Papa. On behalf of Macro, they're going to give you 100,000 rands worth of groceries for 12 months starting 2013.
Wow.
So they're going to sort you out with all the food that you need, toiletry, and all the necessities that you need.
I want to say thank you very much to Macro. Actually, we have been having food shortages at the center. I think it's going to help us a lot. And I think the kids were going to be well looked after. Thank you very much, Macro. I love you.
For sure, Papa. Yes. Give it up for Macro. We've given all the gifts to the kids, and the kids are excited. Father Christmas is here. He only comes once a year, and he is very excited. And I want to hear the kids lift up your gifts, everybody, and say, thank you.